And I am Aubrey Daniela.
I am every Tuesday night here together with Prisa.
And I am every night here at Bar 50.
And of course, let's go to party people. Bar 50! Let's clap your hands! Let's get loud. Two people, let's get loud. Let's get loud. God's gonna heat us down. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Nobody gonna tell you what you gotta do. If you wanna, if you not, leave me up the way you gotta wait. Every beat, beginning every beat, get so bad since you gotta taste it. You gotta do it the way. You gotta prove it, this ain't. You gotta do it. You gotta prove it. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go live it life. You gotta do it the way. You gotta prove it this ain't. You gotta do it the way. You gotta prove it this ain't. Let's get loud. Yes, yes. Please clap your hands if I say. For I'm feeling inside. My mind's always moving, so why should I? And I love to make love to you, baby. So many ways finding what you tonight. I'll never see right, but tonight. And I love to make love to you, baby. If you want party with just have it on the floor. If you want animal, the cheeks off the floor, break the street on the floor. You on the floor. Don't stop, we get moving, put the drinks on. If you party, get jumping on the floor. People bring it, sing the word on the floor. We on the Everybody shake tonight's on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to the pizza. You say to in New York, Vegas to the Africa. Sa Singapore na beat like Singapore. Isusunod kita kay Aling Flor.
Let's go, Ramon, let's go!
1, 2, 3. Gotta get it on the floor. I know you gotta clap your hands in on the floor and keep it rocking, rocking, something on the floor. If you are creeping, I can sit on the Brazil, the queen on the floor, on the floor. Don't stop, we can move and put the drinks up. If your body better, sit on the floor. We never rest, we never. If you know the on the floor, Brazil, Morocco, London to the pizza. We sing to it in New York. La 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 la.
So now we going quick on the floor.
La 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 la.
See now we going quick on the floor. See now we going quick on the floor.
La 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 la.
See now we going quick on the floor, on the floor, on the floor. Nang may lagaw sa isang pag-ibig ko ngayon.
And let's go to party people. Part 58. Won't you love me now, baby? Cause I'm begging. Let's go to party.
Wala ka dyan.
I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. I've been hot when I was kid. I played by the passports and everything. I walk away, you want me there. But easy come and easy go, they want my hand. So anything I need to let me go. And anything inside, I pray you don't want anything I see to let you know. I'm blind to the blind, let me go. I'm thirsty and I'm begging, cause I know I love you. Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Tell me to walk again. Never know that you want to hear. Only can make it to leave again. An empty ship I used to be. Cause I don't want my life watching over me. A broken man that I don't know. When even doesn't have it's all in my soul.
Kaya ka namin yan sa gabi. Lahat ng gusto ko ay sinito. Ang mali ay sinito.
The beat is falling down, falling down, falling down. In the burning, in the party, in the feeling down and we are home, the feeling around the way we go and fake. Yeah, yeah, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. Hey, to love. I'm begging, begging you. tsunami, and now, baby, I'm begging you. Don't put tsunami, and now, darling, I'm begging you. Don't put tsunami, and now, baby, I'm begging you. Don't put tsunami, and now, darling, I'm begging you. Yeah, I'm begging you. Don't tonight, yeah, okay.
Iba yung TV niya.
Hindi ko nga ba alam sa'yo kung lalaki ka talaga.
Yan ang nagagawa ng Red Horse.
Talaga ba?
Oo. Ha?
Atras.
Trans ka? O, di ako na lang bisexual. Sabi niya talaga, trans mo talaga ako. Pakakaya naman sa akin, ha? Oo, yun. Once again, welcome here at
Bar PTA! And of course, and welcome din sa ating pinakamagandang EM.
Sino? Hindi ako
Si
sure.
Mama Erica. Ano hindi ka sure?
Hindi ako sure.
Parang pili ko may maglalasit today.
Hindi ako sure kung maganda siya.
Ah.
Kasi sobrang ganda niya.
Yes.
Saka ayaw niya ng maganda, gusto niya mabait lang.
Mabait na.
Di ba ma? Tapos iwagan natin yung mga kaibigan ni, Kuya Dax.
Yes.
Sila.
And hello po sa ating trio.
Alam mo ba, di ba sabi ko sa'yo kanina, ayusin natin yung pagiging comedian natin, di ba? Pagiging entertainer natin kasi nakaka-proud na pinapanood ka ng isang legendary.
Totoo. Ang sarap sa feeling pag may mga nanonood sa'yo mas...
Hindi rin masarap sabihin, kinakabahan niya ako. Hindi, tama lang yung kailangan lang. Kung sino ka, dapat ilabas mo sa stage, di ba?
Sige nga, magubat ka.
O, iba yun. One of the legendary, maraming salamat for coming.
Yes.
Tapos, pwede mo ba namin makilala yung mga kasama po?
Si Madam Lu. Si Madam Ella.
Welcome po sa inyo, Madam Lu and Madam Ella.
Oo. Pagpasok nila kanina ng tatlo, sabi ko, parang bisita siya ni Mama Dax.
Alam mo ang bisita mo?
Hindi, pagpasok kasi nila. Sabi ko, parang iba yung mukha, parang bagong mukha.
Bago sa iyo, pero kasi ako, hindi ko alam kung na-recall ako ni Mama Dax. Hindi na tayo sa library. Oo. Kasi, madalas sa library talaga.
Ayan, pag wala kang ginagawa, tahol-tahol ka muna para
Sino ba ito?
Ewan ko.
Si Ryan po ay isa sa aming performer din dito. Anong araw ko dito?
Actually, siya dapat ang nakaset.
Talaga?
Sunday, tara lang kita tayo.
Tuloy lang tayo.
Ay, wala ako dito.
Ano to?
Ganda naman ang change.
Kaya ako tali, wala akong kitchen sa bahay.
Ginawa
Uy,
mo lang.
hindi yan labunto.
Ano ba ito?
Tama ko.
Labunto.
I-welcome mo sila. Bumati ka muna right na.
Oo.
Yes, of course, good evening, everyone. Nandito kita
Good morning na.
Oo.
Oo. Good evening sabi ko.
Tingnan ulitin natin. Yes, of course, good morning, everyone. Welcome dito sa Bar 58 kina Mami Nikki. And the company.
Mami mo?
Mami mo?
Ano sa kanya kagaling?
Oo.
Charas.
Ang laki mo.
Hindi, mag-friend kami sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook, pero sa personal, hindi mo kumayabang, right?
Oo.
Sorry lang. Hindi, welcome po sa inyo. Tapos sila madami, dalawang napakagandang
Sila Madam Candy.
Hello, Madam Candy. Good
Ayan.
morning.
Nice to see you again, Madam.
Opo, sige po.
Yes po.
Yes.
Nagagalit nila. O, ikaw na dyan, mag-inom na lang ako.
Oh, alam mo na kasi ikaw ang send ng Sunday, ha? Iinom na lang kami.
Samahan kami. Dito lang kayo.
Let's get, paawin muna tayo. Paawin na natin ito. Sino na po ba ang aawit sa inyo? Justin, natin ka na.
Justin.
Wait lang.
Okay, ha?
Kuya na, pagkakatayo ni Justin, parang iba yung pagkakatitig mo.
Oo.
Parang iba yung pagkakatitig mo.
Totoo.
Kasi hindi rin tingin niya sa akin kanina eh.
Ay, totoo. Bakit ba kasi, wala na, mamaya ka na lang na.
Oo.
Baka muna ha.
Baba ka muna, wala ka nang gagawin.
Hoy, hindi!
Ano ba?
Baka ka muna ha.
Oo.
Mag-i-entertain lang muna kami mga bisita. Yaya, pakiayos nga muna siya.
Uy,
Sorry.
wala ka madulo.